Perplexity has moved Model Council into Computer. You can now run 2 to 8 models in parallel. Perplexity synthesizes the outputs into one advisory report. Computer is billed by credits. 100 credits equal $1. Model Council launched in February with 3 internal models. The July update adds it as a computer skill. Users can pick 2 to 8 models. Available options include OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, GLM, and Kimi. Model Council is a computer skill for an orchestrator model. The orchestrator spawns parallel subagents. Each subagent runs independently. A weight barrier holds until all finish. The selected model becomes the chair. It synthesizes agreement and divergence. Key updates: more model choices and configurable depth. Computer can produce work-ready assets from synthesis. You can request confidence levels. You can ask each model to state its assumptions. Perplexity bills computer by credits. 100 credits equal $1. Pro users get 40 initial bonus credits. Max users get 35 initial and 10 renewing monthly. Enterprise Pro seats start with 80 and get 500 per seat monthly. Enterprise Max starts with 45 and 15 per seat monthly. Perplexity gives example credit ranges. Light tasks can cost 100 to 350 credits. Heavy tasks can use up to 2,275 credits. Perplexity says query complexity affects token usage more than model choice. Simple queries can cost less than a penny. Complex tasks will cost more. Model Council changes operational planning. Parallel models increase compute and concurrency per query. That affects costs, capacity planning, and tail latency. Pilot with realistic prompts to measure credit burn and latency. Use model assumptions for traceability where needed. Orchestrating parallel subagents changes load patterns. A weight barrier makes response time depend on the slowest model. Up to 8 models multiplies inference demand. Expect short-term compute spikes. Map auto-scaling and rate limits to credit-based costs. And test worst-case latency. Important unknowns remain. Perplexity does not publish a credits to tokens mapping. It did not give a precise credit estimate for a full council session. The published pricing figures appear inconsistent and may reflect reporting ambiguity. Perplexity's complexities versus model claim is the company's statement, not an independent benchmark. Bottom line: Model Council in Computer gives a multi-model orchestration pattern and synthesized outputs. It introduces measurable operational costs and capacity trade-offs, pilot representative workloads, measure credits and latency, and plan budgets and scaling policies. Primary source is the register story dated July 28, 2026. The link is in the description.